confidence with the HD106 transponder key. So when you're on the job, you'll look like the pro you are. So Honda came out in 1996 with this HD106 transponder key, all right? And they used it from 96 to 05. But I just want to take a minute and really think about this for a second, all right? So in 1996, the real popular technology that was used in keys was the VATS keys, all right? The little ohm resistors. So going from a ohm resistor to a transponder key was a huge deal, all right? And believe it or not, the HD106 is in the top 10 of transponder keys in the USA today, which is kind of crazy. However, if you really think about it, you know, almost 10 years of vehicles, of Honda Acura vehicles was used with this key. So it's not too surprising, you know, of course those vehicles are out there. Honda's been known to last a long time, their vehicles, right? So that's not too surprising. However, I just wanted to take a minute and really talk about the simple fact that this was really the first key that came out onto the market that was not a ohm resistor like a VATS key. Pretty cool. Now, as far as the chip in this HD106 key, it used the Megamose 13, also known as the ID13. All right, now this was a fixed code system, not an encrypted system. And I just want to talk about this for one sec, just for fun, really, all right? Now, an encrypted system is essentially an algorithm, all right? And for simplicity's sake, let's just call it complicated. I don't know, maybe like your ex-girlfriend or boyfriend. Now, when it comes to the Megamose 13 chip, all right, it used that fixed code. All right, and I just want to talk about the technology difference there, all right? Now, if you're programming keys and stuff, right, you love the Megamose 13 chip, right? They're simple, they're easy, they're reusable. I mean, they're just all around great. Now, the fixed code technology is actually very simple. Now, I'm just gonna simplify it down to the base root so you understand it compared to a algorithm, complicated, right? So the Megamose 13 system is essentially the card is gonna keep asking the key the same question every time, right? It's gonna be maybe what's 100 plus 100, right? 200. So as long as the key keeps answering 200, well, it's gonna work. And that's why it's so simple, because it's just a fixed code system, not like the newer encrypted, complicated systems, right? Now, when it comes to the test key, you're gonna wanna be using the HD103, also known as the X214. When it comes to the key shells, as you know, I recommend the JMA key shells, and the part number is gonna be the TP00HOND-21.P. Now, the code series is the 5001 to 8442. Now, when it comes to duplicating this key, let me go ahead, take the camera, we'll put it over a key machine, and let's cut a key together and I'll walk you through it. All right, so this is what the HD106 key looks like. This particular one here is from JMA. Now, this is going to be the key we're going to be duplicating, and since I'm just duplicating this for the video, I'm not going to actually waste one of these HD106 keys here. I'm just going to cut it on another blank HD103, which is the test key that I was just talking about a few moments ago. So the first thing you want to do, you just want to get this lined up, all right? But before I do, I just want to talk about this for one moment. So this HD103 key, or the HD106, is a shoulder stop key, okay? So we're gonna align it right here on the shoulder, just like we would like a SC1 or KW1. Whereas most automotive keys are actually tip stopped keys, all right? So we just wanna make sure that we're going to line it up right there on the shoulder. So I'm gonna bring this over. We're just gonna put it in just like that. We're going to be aligning it right here on this bottom groove. So go ahead and we'll get that put in. We'll get that put down on there. Put the blank key on the other side, just like that. All right. Once you get those aligned, we'll get the machine on and we'll cut. just like that. And once you got that done, go and turn this buffer wheel on right over here for a quick moment. Deburr that one side, and we'll bring it back. All we're gonna do is bring the shoulder stop up. Now, most of the time, you can just leave the one side on here. You can flip it if you want as well. We'll get that put on. Oop. Bring that right back here. That nice and tight. We'll go in and duplicate the other side here. Well, I really hope this information is gonna help you have confidence on the job getting it done. Now, make sure you download the free PDF in the notes below that takes all of the information on this transponder key and is gonna put it into one document that you can use as a quick reference sheet. Now, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below. And make sure you use the hashtag BlockBoss to automatically get entered in to win one of 5 free prizes we give away each and every Tuesday live here on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cool. Hopefully that did it.